Hey guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you verify your Binance account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to verify your Binance account, you just simply have to open your Binance application, and after opening the application, it will give you the option of verify account. Tap there, and after that it will load this page for you. First of all, you have to select your residency where you living currently and then tap to continue. And after filling up that, you will get this option to fill your legal name. Just simply enter your legal first name, middle name if you have any, and last name. Just simply fill this up and then tap to continue. But remember that it has to be your legal name which is into your ID card. I'm just entering this name in order to make the content, that's all. Just simply tap to continue, and then you just simply have to select your nationality which is into your registered identity card. And after selecting the country, tap to continue. Now you just simply have to enter your date of birth. First of all, enter the year of your birth and then month, then day. Just simply select this much and tap to continue again. And now you just simply have to enter your residential address, means a complete address. And after filling up postal code, city and residential address, tap to continue. And after filling up that, you can select which document you would like to use in order to verify your account. Just simply select the suitable option and then tap to continue. And after that, you just simply have to submit the picture, or you can upload existing picture of your document. Just simply do that. And after that, you will have to verify your facial expression and your account will successfully be verified. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.